Hi, this video is in regards to user story number 40 for the Snackability version 3.0 application. And this user story revolves around changing the user interface for the home page. So one of the main things that I changed here was that previously we had a line chart, a very simple line chart to display the data of the user that was consuming snacks. It would show like an average. I went ahead and I switched it out. This is pretty much the code, as you can see. I switched it to a library that's called Victory Native. It's a very good library for graphing and charting. It is very useful for several graphs. And what's very good in this case is that should anyone want to switch it to, say, a pie chart or a line graph or any other type of chart, this is a very good library that has a lot of support and a lot of is very versatile in the way that you can be able to change a lot of its features. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you guys what the new graph looks like. This is the new graph for this version of the application. One thing in particular that I added was a legend. So now you can see a legend, a color-coded legend that will display a particular color in each bar depending on the amount of average points that you have throughout the day. So as you can see, if you're having a bad day, you're eating a lot of bad food, it'll be in red. If you're having a good day, it'll be in green. I also went ahead and changed the header colors to a blue color. Dr. Palacio wanted us to change this to a different, revert this back to blue. And again, the very good thing about this user story is that should we have to make any adjustments to the color, it shouldn't be too much of a task. It should be pretty quick and easy to go ahead and change it. I picked this blue in particular because I liked it, but of course, should Dr. Palacio want to change it, we can go ahead and change this and change the gradient as well. So another thing about this particular charting library is that I can go ahead and go back to the previous days. Sorry about that. Let me go ahead and go here. So say if I wanted to go back to a couple of days ago, and you can imagine a user having used this for a month, they could go and scroll back. In my case, I've only been using it for a couple of days in this account, so it's not going to show too much data from far back. But as you can see, the graph is moving and the bars are moving accordingly with the particular day. Now it is a little bit slow because of the simulator, but if you run it on your device, you will see that transition a lot more smoothly, and you can go ahead and see that it'll move a lot quickly, aligned with the particular day that is listed in. So as you can see here, I'm having a pretty much an okay day, not too bad at day 130. So it'll show a yellow or orange color, and then for the days that you're eating a lot of bad snacks, it'll go ahead and show it to you in red. So this pretty much concludes this user story number 40 for Snackability version 3.0.